You know that moment in the build-up, the tension keeps rising, the DJ's twisting a knob, and then the drop slams in? For me, that moment starts early in the production process. Just a kick, a rumble, and a simple hi-hat. With this simple setup, I can test every bassline or synth directly against the energy of the build-up and drop as I shape the track. And in this Ableton tutorial, I'll show you how to map one MIDI knob to control three things at once: a high-pass filter, a reverb, and the volume of your parallel drum bass. And stick around until the end, I've got a bonus trick, a shock factor you'll actually feel in the drop, and yes, it works in both Ableton and Maschine. I like to start simple, just a passive EQ, high-pass filter, and a reverb. Of course, some producers add even more effects, so if you've got an idea that works for build-ups, drop it in the comments. If you've seen my last tutorials, you already have your drum bass and parallel drums balanced and ready. I'll link those at the end of this video. Alright, let's build this step by step. On your master, group your EQ and your reverb. I'm using the Bettermaker Passive EQ. It gives me really clean low and control. Here's the before and after. Now create two macros, one for the EQ high-pass filter, one for the reverb mix knob. In map mode, set the minimum and maximum values. For my setup, the high-pass goes from 25 Hz to 180 Hz, and the reverb mix goes from 0% to 40%. That way, I can twist the knob fully without overdoing it. Next, let's map the MIDI controller knob. Enter MIDI mode and assign the same knob to both macros, the high-pass filter and the reverb mix. And to really push the build-up and hit an even harder drop, the same knob also controls the volume of the parallel drum bass. I'm using utility for that with a range of 0 dB down to -10 dB. Here's that bonus trick I promised. If you are layering two kicks, mute the top kick during the build-up, then bring it back when the drop hits. That contrast instantly makes the drop feel bigger and more impactful. Now let's hear how much bigger the drop feels with this trick. What do you think? Better with or without the top kick during the build-up? Let me know in the comments. From here, keep layering more elements that look perfectly into your build-ups. If this helped your techno production skills, hit like and subscribe for more Ableton tips and tricks. And if you want to see how I build the sound behind this technique, check out these two videos next.